What will happen to your body if you stop sugar for 30 days?
Imagine waking up one day and looking in the mirror.
And you notice your face is slimmer, your skin is clear and glowing, and your energy
And your appetite is almost non-existent. And imagine that
This happened just because you stopped sugar for 30 days.
It might sound exaggerated, but your body actually improves much faster than you think.
Then you can imagine, and what happens next might surprise you.
And today, we're going to break down exactly what happens in your body.
Your body, if you cut out added sugar for a full month, not deprivation, not a diet, not cutting carbs, just sugar. Not deprivation, not a diet, not cutting carbs, just sugar. To 7 days. This is the peak phase where you feel the most tired.
Irritability and crazy cravings for sweets, and it's all because of sugar.
It works like a dopamine button, and suddenly your brain just wants its fix.
Normally, it doesn't get it, but here's the good news at the end.
In the first week, your blood sugar starts to balance, and your mood
Stabilizes and intense cravings calm down. Your body actually
starts to break its dependence on sugar.
In the second week, your energy is higher and bloating is less. By day 14, this starts to...
the magic happens. Your energy rises instead of crashing like before.
You get that afternoon slump, your stomach starts to settle, and your face looks less bloated. Why? Because sugar causes inflammation, and when you stop it, your body calms down.
And it starts burning stored fat instead of constantly demanding energy. Quickly, you start feeling lighter, both inside and out.
In the third week, your skin starts to change and fat around.
By day 21, you'll notice your skin clearing up. Sugar destroys collagen, and when you cut it out, your skin becomes softer, more plump, and firm. This is the week when fat loss really begins. Your waist tightens, your cheeks lift, and your clothes feel more comfortable. This is the stage where your body enters true repair mode. In the fourth week, a full reset happens. By day 30,
The real change. Your body feels lighter, your mind clearer, your sleep deeper, digestion better, and your sugar cravings are almost gone.
and the best part, your taste sensitivity changes. Fruits taste sweeter, and healthy food starts to feel satisfying. And junk food suddenly tastes overly artificial and unpleasant. You're no longer at sugar's mercy. You're the one in control. Want more energy, better skin, faster fat loss, and sharper focus? Try 30 days without added sugar. Your body will thank you, and you might never go back to sugar again.
Before you go, I've got a question for you. Have you ever tried quitting sugar for a full 30 days? Or are you thinking about starting? Share your experience or your plan in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to join the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next video.